Hello everybody, welcome back to a quick little recap video. Today I wanted to show you the epitome of a shitcoin. And this shitcoin is actually a dog shit coin, okay? This is Shiba Inu. I want you to tell me what looks very similar to these two things, right? I don't know, they look a little pumpy and dumpy, very suspiciously, right? I mean, as they pumped in October, of course the search results pumped, and as it dumped, the search results dumped. It kind of is very clear to, I hope, everybody involved in this shitcoin project that it is very slowly dying out a very slow death from its all-time high. It is down 80% almost. Let's see, down to its lowest low. It was almost down, oh my bad, 80% at its lowest low. My apologies. From these abnormal candles of, let's look at these gains for no reason, no utility coin, right? So 1600% for no reason. This is the one problem I have with cryptocurrencies. Coins like these exist for no reason, absolutely no reason. There's no whales for Shiba. There's no nothing. There's manipulation. That's all there is with that. I mean, yes, you want to say whales, blah 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 blah. They're just manipulation, okay? It's the same thing with Dogecoin, okay? At least Dogecoin comes out as a joke. Shiba Inu is just a fucking money grab, okay? That's what these coins do. They're a grab for your money. You could spend your money on Ethereum, Bitcoin, Hex. These are projects that have utility. They're doing something. They have DEXs. They have Uniswaps. They have liquidity. This is terrible. The tokenomics behind Shiba Inu. If Shiba Inu was to hit 10 cents or even 1 cent, a full cent, it'd be bigger than America. Its market cap would be absorbent. It's a dead coin. It's got 5 million volume. Right now it's at 2.7 million. Eventually it'll be zero. If you're like the Dogecoin millionaire, you will be broke eventually. You'll go from millionaire to homeless. And I don't wish that upon anybody, but you need to be well informed. You need to do your own research. Coins like these are trash. They have millions and billions and trillions of coins in circulation, and they have no value. It's a greater fool theory. Yes, you could say that's like stocks and like crypto, but this is, you're on a hope and a whim. You're chasing the wave and coattails of other things with actual utility. This isn't like gold or silver or diamonds or anything like that. At least diamonds have a restricted supply. Shiba Inu is just like literally like if the Fed was to print napkins and tell you this is your new dollar, right? That's what Shiba is, okay? It will never be Bitcoin. It will never be Ethereum. Shiba Inu will be dead in the water. Mark my words. It'll eventually be called the rug pull, and we'll see some investor lawsuits about people who have lost absorbent amounts of money. I feel sorry for anyone who bought the peak and now has to sell at the low because it will never bounce. This has been Monetary Recap. I hope everyone has a nice night. Hate it if you're a Shiba whale. Hate me in the comments. I do not care. This is a rug pull, and have a nice night, everybody. Enjoy yourselves.